In the Bible, the fig tree wasn't just food. It was a powerful symbol of peace, prosperity, and divine blessing. So why did Jesus curse a fig tree that had leaves but no fruit? The answer unlocks one of the most powerful warnings in all of Scripture. The tree looked promising from a distance, green, leafy, full of potential. In that region, the presence of leaves was a natural promise that fruit was also present. But up close, it was barren. It had the appearance of life, but nothing to offer. This wasn't just about a tree, it was about hypocrisy, the danger of looking faithful on the outside while producing nothing of substance within. A faith that is all leaves and no fruit. The fig tree's curse is a stark warning. Don't just look fruitful, be fruitful. It's one of the Bible's most striking lessons, hidden in plain sight on a fig tree. Want more biblical food secrets? Subscribe now.